Hi everyone. I wanted to make a quick video about the graphics card upgrade. Just to give you an idea, I changed the graphics card on that ES3 and I installed the drivers, so now you can see that this is recognized, the GTX 750 Ti. What we could check from the previous videos is that the previous card that was in there, that was a GTX 760, was not able to work properly, and after a while playing a game, the screen will just go blank because the GPU it just basically overheats. It was an old system, so as you can see, I already connected it to the cabinet, so everything is right there. I just make a note on it, and the only thing I got here to make it work is this adapter right here. Basically it goes from HDMI to Mini-HDMI because this graphics card doesn't have a full HDMI port. It has some DVI, so you can always play with it. And I can just show you how the gameplay works just quickly, so it's easier to see that there are no issues with performance. Every game works as it should, and later on I will try to set up link players to play these two cabinets together. For that we are going to need a network switch. So the network switch will connect to both systems, like both computers, through an Ethernet cable, and then from there we will be able to play all these games multiplayer. So that would be great to see. But for now, I just loading the game. This is Street Fighter 4. As you can see, it's going to work as it should. I'm going to just grab this one right quickly. This one. I just have it on the controller for now, but as you can see, everything looks crisp. No lags, no issues. You can see everything is the same. I can't really do anything here, but yeah. So that's just wanted to showcase that the upgrade works, and now this is a fully working system with an SSD to prepare for link play. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.